Hi, Shane Kevin here. Today let's talk about GPU rendering. Traditionally when we need GPU rendering, we go to online store and purchase a graphic card like GTX 1080, cost about several $100 for a single card. If we need more render performance, we throw several $100 for another graphic card. What if we want more GPU performance? We start to worry about hardware issues. Does the motherboard can plug one more graphic card? What if those cards stay too close to each other? How am I supposed to get them cool enough when rendering? What if those cards getting too loud? Do I need to invest some water cooling stuff? So, the budget is growing way more faster than you thought. Another scenario, imagine if you have a very tight deadline animation to rendering, you don't have enough render performance to meet the deadline, you need many more GPUs to get that done. So, we wish if there is an unlimited GPU render farm. First of all, it must be cheap enough. Second, it must very easy to use. Next, it must be ready to use in anywhere, anytime I want them. Does it even exist? Well, in 2017, it does exist. We have Google Cloud, a private cloud that can use unlimited GPUs. It's way much cheaper than any other render farm in the world. It costs 70 cents per GPU hour. And it will be ready to use in any time, anywhere I want. The hardware is scalable, easy to add or remove any hardware based for the project complexity. Even more, it's free to use 8 GPUs to rendering for 50 hours. It's a personal private cloud. We can use any render engine to rendering, doing fancy stuff like fluid simulation, light map baking, or even gaming. In this video tutorial, we will take a deep look into cloud rendering. We will first comparing the cloud providers in the market, and then we analyze the price, running GPU benchmark performance, comparing pros and cons for each cloud provider. We also take a deep looking of the pricing structure, understanding why and how the cloud providers charge you every single penny, and then we also use a custom sheet to help you estimate per hour per minute cost more accurately. Finally, we go through every single step to deploy our render farm. Each step has video tutorial to help you set up OS, tweaking the OS settings to better fit our render farm environment. Each machine will become a single render node that has multiple GPUs. In this video tutorial, we also discuss about how to reduce cost for rendering animation and still image, how to use render farm for free, how to use render engine like Fstorm or V-Ray in cloud render. Also, we will take a look at how to use cloud render to rendering an actual project scene. For this example scene, it cost me $2 to get that done, and less than $1 to get a second camera angle. By the end, you should able to easily set up your own render farm within several minutes, and get them ready to production in any time. Do you still wasting money for GPU? How about let's bring everything into cloud, set up an extremely low cost render farm, or even free. Check out kshane.com. Thanks for watching.